Hi there, students. Self-praise is no recommendation. Okay, this is a proverb. Yeah, this says that if you boast about yourself, it's not recommending you at all. Yeah, if you're telling everyone how fantastic you are, that's not a good thing, particularly if it's not true. So, if you boast about how wonderful you are, when actually it's not true, then this is not very good. Yeah, I can say I'm the absolute best at this, but that really doesn't mean anything because we all think we're fantastic at everything. Yeah, so self-praise is very definitely no recommendation. If other people say you're good at something, that very definitely is a good recommendation. But self-praise, well, I don't think it's the greatest of recommendations. Yeah. Also, I think when people are praising themselves, it's not a very good thing because you just can't be objective about what you say. Um, in business, all of the companies say that they've got the best product at the best price and it does the best job. But self-praise is no recommendation. You can't take any of them seriously. Yeah, this is the best work I've ever done. People are going to go crazy about it. Wait and see how it goes. Wait and see what people think. Yeah. He's always boasting about how rich he is and how important he is. But, nobody can stand him. So, self-praise is no recommendation. People always think that their own children are the smartest, the brightest, the most handsome. But then again, as they say, self-praise is no recommendation. Yeah, if somebody else says it, then maybe it is a reasonable recommendation. So, a nice little proverb for you there. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. That was the greatest video I ever made. Alex, self-praise is no recommendation. Bye for now.